Good morning, students, and welcome back. Hope you all are fine and safe. Today, we are going to solve problems of Science 1 from lesson number 7 Lenses. Let us see question number 8. Solve the following first sum. Doctor has prescribed a lens having power of plus 1.5 diopter. Plus sign indicate that this is an convex lens. What will be the focal length of the lens? What is the type of lens? And what must be the defect of vision? In this sum, power is given, that is plus 1.5 diopter. We have to find focal length, type of lens, defect of vision. Now, to calculate focal length, we will substitute the formula of power. So, power is equal to 1 upon f. Now, to calculate the focal length, we will rearrange the formula. It will become f is equal to 1 upon p. Substitute the value of power, that is 1.5. We get 1 upon 1.5. Now, when we remove this decimal point by multiplying it with 10 in denominator, we also multiply it with 10 on numerator. So, it becomes 10 upon 15. After cancellation, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. We get 2 upon 3. After dividing it with 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 zeros are point, it becomes 20. So, 3 6 are 18, again 2 is left, again we will add 1 0, so it will become 20, again 6 are. So, 6 will be recurring. So, our answer is 0.666. 0.666 is similar to 0.67 and focal length is measured in meter. So, f is equal to 0.67 meter. Since f is positive, lens used is convex. So, f is equal to 0.6 meter. Student, convex lens is used for correcting hypermetropia. So, the defect is hypermetropia, that is farsightedness. Now, let's see second question. 5 cm high object is placed at distance of 25 cm from a converging lens of focal length 10 cm. Determine the position, size and type of the image. Student, in this question, 5 cm high object means height of object is equal to 5 cm and it is placed at 25 cm distance, means the distance between optical center and the object is 25 cm. As it is on left side, so it will be minus 25 cm. Converging lens means it is a convex lens. And also student, focal length is given which is 10 cm. Here we have to calculate position, size and type of image. So student, in this sum, here height of the object is 5 cm. So h1 is equal to 5 cm. Focal length is 10 cm. So f is equal to 10 cm. Next, distance of the object u is 25 cm. As for a convex lens, object is kept on the left side of the lens, so it is on the negative side of the axis, so u is equal to minus 25. To find image distance, v is equal to question mark, height of image h2 is equal to question mark, and position of the image is equal to question mark. Student, here formula used is 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f, the formula of focal length. So substituting this formula for focal length, we get 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Rearrange this formula. 1 upon u is subtracting here, it will go to the right side and it will add. So it becomes 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f plus 1 upon u. Substitute the value of f and u, we get 1 upon 10 as f is equal to 10 plus 1 upon minus 25 as u is equal to minus 25. So it becomes 1 upon 10 plus into minus minus 1 upon 25. Equalizing the denominator, we get 25 ones are 25 minus 10 ones are 10 upon 25 tens are 250. So when we subtract, we get 1 upon v is equal to 25 minus 10 is 15 upon 250. Student, when you all will cancel, you will get 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 zeros are 50. So you all get 1 upon v is equal to 3 upon 50, or student, when we cancel 50 and 3 by taking its reciprocal, that is v upon 1 is equal to 50 upon 3. So we get 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 2 carry, 3 6 are 18, point again 2 is left, so we will put 0, 3 6 are 18, so 0.6666 gets recurring over here, so we get v is equal to 16.66, or you can write 16.7 centimeter. Now student, for this we have to calculate magnification. We know formula for magnification, m is equal to h2 upon h1, and we also know magnification is equal to v upon u. So considering this formula H2 upon H1 is equal to V upon U, when you will substitute, we get value of H2. So student, we have V is equal to 16.7 centimeter. We have H1 is equal to 5 centimeter. U is equal to minus 25 centimeter. We have to calculate H2, substituting the formula of magnification, that is H2 upon H1 is equal to V upon U. We get H2 upon H1 is 5 centimeter, so we'll write 5 is equal to V upon U. So here we have already seen either V was 50 upon 3, that is V is equal to 50 upon 3, or V is equal to 16.7 centimeter. We will take, for easy cancellation, 50 upon 3 as V, and we will write U is equal to minus 25 centimeter. Rearrange it. H2 is equal to 50 upon 3. 5 is dividing here, it will come here and multiply, and 25 is in denominator. This minus 25 will write minus over here. So 25 ones are, 25 twos are. So when you all will calculate 5 twos are, it will become 10, 3 ones are 3. So H2 is minus 10 upon 3. After cancellation, it becomes 3 ones are 3, 3s are 9, point 1 is left. So we'll write, it becomes 10. So student, we got height of the image, that is minus 3.3 centimeter after calculation. Now position of the image which we have calculated, that is V is equal to 16.7 centimeter. This is our final answer. Size of the image, now what we have calculated, that is height of the image, which is 3.3 centimeter. Height or distance will not be in negative now here, so we are writing 3.3 centimeter. Now student, nature of the image. In a convex lens, student, always remember nature of the image is real and inverted, in front or opposite side of the object. So here nature will be real and inverted. Now student, let us see next question. 3 lenses having power 2, 2.5 and 1.7 diopter are kept touching in a row. What is the total power of the lens combination? Here in this question, 3 lenses are kept in series with different power. So P1 is equal to 2 diopter, P2 is equal to 2.5 diopter and P3 is equal to 1.7 diopter. Here in this sum, P1, P2, P3 is given, that is P1 is equal to 2 diopter, P2 is equal to 2.5 diopter and P3 is equal to 1.7 diopter. We have to find total power. Formula for total power is equal to, that is P is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. Substitute Substituting the value of the length of power in formula, we get 2 plus 2.5 plus 1.7. By adding this, we get 7 plus 5, that is 12. 1 carry, 2, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, plus 2 6, that is 6.2 Dieter. So total power of combination is 6.2 Dieter.